Can you imagine creating your own 3D character with artificial intelligence? Well, stick around because we're going to see how. Have you heard of Krikey AI? Well, it is an advanced artificial intelligence tool created by Krikey, a company that is dedicated to the field of developing technology for generating high-quality 3D characters and animations with the help of artificial intelligence. What's interesting about Krikey is that it allows us to turn ideas, images, or text into animated digital characters without requiring you to have any prior knowledge or experience at all about 3D modeling or using highly complex and sophisticated professional software applications. With the power of this artificial intelligence, you can design your own custom digital avatars, animate them, generate full animations, make them talk, and even create unique characters for video games, videos, or content for social media. Basically, it aims to make the process of creating an animated character something that absolutely anyone is capable of doing. Therefore, even if you have no experience in 3D design or animation, this tool, which is specially designed for these kinds of creations, is very interesting for content creators, video game developers, brands, or anyone who wants to turn an idea into a digital character. But it can also be incredibly useful for carrying out your own personal creative ideas, like seeing how your child has grown, creating movies for birthday parties, celebrations, surprises, or any wild and crazy idea you can think of. Let's see how this software tool actually works. First of all, here's the official website. And when we click on Create New, it presents us with avatars that it already has available on the website, or we can even select an image we have ourselves, so it can create that avatar for us. I'm not going to generate a brand new one because it would take much longer. Instead, I'm simply going to select one of the standard characters that the tool offers for free. As you can clearly see, here we already have the Pro label, which, as is always the case with these kinds of tools, the more you are willing to pay, the more advanced Pro options you will have at your disposal for your creative work. This kind of 3D content. I'm going to select Tyler as my character, for example, and I'm going to give it a specific instruction to generate a high-quality music video for me. Here we have to describe what we want it to do. As always, the prompt is important, right? Here we're going to tell it, I am looking to create a high-quality, engaging music video specifically designed to promote and grow Nera's YouTube channel, which is primarily focused on producing unique content about various creative topics, artistic expressions, and insightful digital storytelling for a global audience. Uploading. These are exceptionally effective instructional resources designed to help you consistently achieve professional-grade results as the perfect set of guidance instruments. I'm double-checking to make sure there are no mistakes at all. And then we can go ahead. There is a box right here that allows you to add vocals to your song. So let's select it and start generating my music video right now. Well, let's see how it goes. Since this is just the free version and not the full paid one, you've seen that I can't enter more than 100 characters. If you pay, then in the end you could tell it, hey, I want it to have a classic pop style, or a rock style, or an 80s style, or a millennial style, or whatever. Or that the background should be in this specific style or another one entirely. So much hype. Are you ready? Let's do this. Well, it is all quite simple and straightforward. You really cannot ask for much more from the free version of this tool, but I truly hope it was enough to provide you with a clear idea of what this tool is actually capable of doing. If what you're looking for is a three-dimensional video, a video game character, or any specific kind of digital animation, creating content to tell stories, making content like episodes, I don't know, I can think of so many things where this AI tool could help us. It truly just blows my mind completely. Let me know if you liked it, not so much the video itself. While that might not seem like a major issue, it is more about the various possibilities this tool can provide. Please leave your comments below, give it a like, and subscribe for even more content about artificial intelligence tools.